name is Frederick Nnamdi Dipembo. I'm a smartphone business consultant. I teach you how to maximize the potentials of your smartphone to boost your productivity and profitability. If you'd love to keep watching videos from, kindly subscribe on the button below, and just beside is a bell icon. Tap the bell icon to keep receiving notifications from me. Whenever you send an image or a video via WhatsApp, you always notice the decrease in the quality of that image because WhatsApp automatically compresses it. But this hack will enable you to send any media file without losing the quality. Obviously, you won't also like the fact that you come on WhatsApp and find yourself mysteriously in some strange groups. So this hack will enable you take control of who is adding you to a group on WhatsApp. What we would normally do when you send a voice note that you do not like is to send a voice note, and when you find out you don't like it, you delete it. But no, with this hack you can get to play the voice note before actually sending. So imagine that someone has sent a message that you would want to refer to after a period of time. So how to bookmark the message is you star it on WhatsApp. So this is what this hack will teach you how to do. Finally, turn off auto download on your group media, and also turn on the low data usage when you're making a call on WhatsApp so you can conserve your data consumption. Did you like that video? I guess you want to keep receiving videos as awesome and value-packed as this. So, all you have to do is to click the subscribe button down below, and just beside the subscribe button is a bell icon. Tap on the bell to turn on notifications, and you'll be the first to know when we release a fresh video. Thank you.